You, pilot,
Ugh.
that maneuver, what do you call it?
The 180 reverse proton move.
Most impressive. What's your name?
Luke Skywalker, sir.
Skywalker. I knew a Skywalker once.
Lord Vader?
Huh? Oh, yeah, right. You are sensitive with the Force. You remind me of a young me. I will train you.
Whoa! I only wish I could be as powerful as you.
Then come with me.
Actually, I wish to be more powerful than you.
Your eyes can deceive you. Don't trust them.
I can still see.
Firm touch. Focus. Focus.
It tickles. Oh.
More like this. Try again.